At the train station, platform means the area where passengers wait for the train. Ticket is a paper or electronic pass needed to travel on the train. Schedule shows the timetable with train arrival and departure times. Departure means when the train leaves the station, and arrival means when the train reaches the station. Platform is the area where passengers wait for the train to arrive. Ticket is a paper or electronic pass to travel on the train. Schedule is a timetable showing train arrival and departure times. Departure and arrival refer to when a train leaves or reaches the station. Excuse me, is this the right platform for the train to Liverpool? What time does the train leave? Can I buy a ticket to London, please? Which platform does the train depart from? These questions help you find your way around the station. Where is the ticket counter? How much is a ticket to Manchester? Is the train on time? Where can I find the timetable? Use these simple questions to get important information at the station. Do I need to change trains? Can I reserve a seat? Is this train direct? Where is the waiting room? These questions help you understand your journey and find comfortable places to wait. Platform shows where to wait for your train. Ticket counter is where you buy tickets. Waiting room is a place to sit before your train arrives. Luggage locker is where you store your bags safely. The next train to arrive at Platform 3 is the 12:45 to Manchester. Please stand clear of the closing doors. We apologize for the delay. The train will depart shortly. Mind the gap between the train and the platform. The train now approaching Platform 5 does not stop here. Please stand well clear of the edge of Platform 5. Passengers are reminded to keep their belongings with them at all times. The next train to London will depart from Platform 2 in 10 minutes. Minding the gap between the train and the platform helps ensure passenger safety.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.